ਆ ਬਹਿ ਗਏ ਲਓ ਆ ਬੜੀ ਚੰਗੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਬੜੀ ਚੰਗੀ ਆ ਲਓ the life of this bird are way better than the human. They don't hate each other. They always go out and they have their own certain boundary. They don't cross that. They love each other and they come back home always by God's grace. They don't have a doctor. They don't have anything to super birds are super, you know, society. Someone is up and someone is down, you know. When they fly, they have no job. Every day they wake up, start, go out there, and God, Allah has created them and He have everything there for that day and again and again and again. And not only this bird, but the whole birds, whole animals, whole creature. Human being have a problem that he think he is the one who's doing. Human, you cannot do it. You have no control when you come to this world and when you will go from here. You have no control in your own breath. How can you control outside things? No, you cannot. Be humble. This is the sign for you. When sun comes, it goes, light goes everywhere, and these birds and animal. If you are human, if this connecting you to God Almighty, the Lord of throne, the Master Day of Judgment, be humble, be nice, love each other, and stop spreading hate. Spread the peace, spread the love. Happy and be happy, and let others to be happy.